Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this in 2026 and you're looking for the best side hustles for beginners to make money online, you're in the right place. You want something realistic, low risk, and actually profitable that doesn't require years of experience or a big budget to get started. Today, I'm revealing one of the absolute best side hustles in 2026 for beginners to make money online. A complete business in a box system that pays instant $200 commissions per sale using AI tools and done-for-you content. This is perfect if you have a full-time job and only a few hours per week to dedicate to a side hustle. My name is Alex, and in this detailed video, I'm going to show you exactly why the daily income method stands out as one of the best side hustles 2026 for beginners to make money online. Stick with me until the end because I'm giving you the direct link in the description and pinned comment so you can get instant access and start your side hustle today. If you're serious about finding profitable side hustles in 2026 that beginners can actually succeed with, keep watching. Let's jump in. The year 2026 has brought more opportunities than ever for side hustles, but most of them still fail for beginners. People try dropshipping, print on demand, or random gigs on freelancing sites, only to lose money on ads, spend weeks learning complicated skills, or burn out creating content every single day. The best side hustles 2026 for beginners to make money online need to be simple, scalable, low cost to start, and have high profit potential without requiring you to show your face or have previous experience. That's exactly what makes the daily income method one of the top side hustles right now. Created by Mac Mills, this is a complete turnkey affiliate marketing system designed for beginners who want to make money online on the side. You get paid $200 instantly for every sale you refer. The entire system runs on free organic traffic, powerful AI tools, and ready-to-post faceless content, so you can run it alongside your job without stress. This isn't just another side hustle idea you watch and forget. This is a ready-to-go online business that you can set up in under an hour and start earning from in days. Many members treat it as their main side hustle and are pulling in several $100s per day once consistent. Let me walk you through everything you get inside the daily income method so you can see why it ranks among the best side hustles 2026 for beginners to make money online. You start with the complete daily income method training program, a clear step-by-step blueprint that takes you from zero to profitable. Mac shares his exact system for running this as a high-converting side hustle. The modules are short, beginner-friendly, and cover account setup, using AI tools, content posting strategies, commission tracking, and scaling your earnings while keeping it part-time. Everything is explained so even someone working a full-time job can follow along easily. Inside the training, you'll see real dashboard examples showing earnings like $532.75 in a single view, along with progress trackers that keep you motivated. One of the strongest reasons this is one of the best side hustles 2026 for beginners is the massive 100,000 Faceless Reels library. You get instant access to over 100,000 done-for-you, ready-to-post short videos. These reels are professionally created and optimized to promote the daily income method and drive sales. You download them, post to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and other platforms. That's it. No filming yourself after work, no editing late at night, no creative burnout. This library makes consistent posting easy, even with a busy schedule. Beginners are posting 5 to 10 reels per day, using this library and seeing their first commissions roll in quickly. In 2026, short-form video is still one of the fastest ways to grow a side hustle, and this gives you unlimited high-quality content. You also get the Viral Reel and Hook Script Generator, an AI-powered tool that creates original viral hooks, full scripts, and captions in seconds. Just give it basic inputs, and it does all the creative work. Perfect for side hustlers who don't have time or skills to write content from scratch. Another powerful bonus is the AI Mastery training. Clone yourself using AI. Generate photorealistic professional images of yourself or any avatar for thumbnails, profiles, or marketing, all without any design skills or being on camera. You receive the secret black book of email swipes with 222 proven templates that get opened, clicked, and convert. Use them for automated follow-ups that continue working while you're at your day job. Plus, the Facebook Profile Growth Guide shows you how to grow from 0 to over 41,000 followers using Mac's proven playbook, another free traffic source for your side hustle. Everything is organized inside one clean dashboard at dailyincommethod.app. You get your personal affiliate links, multiple high-converting landing pages, lead capture tools, video follow-ups, real-time commissions tracking, and a leaderboard. It is genuinely a complete business-in-a-box side hustle that requires minimal daily time. Here's the exact simple process you'll follow to turn this into one of the best side hustles 2026 for beginners to make money online. Step 1. Click the link in the description and pinned comment right now. This takes you to the Daily Income Method checkout page. Complete the one-time investment and you get immediate lifetime access. Step 2. Log in and complete the quick system setup plus welcome video. This takes 15 to 30 minutes, perfect for an evening after work. Step 3. Start posting. Download 10 to 20 faceless reels from the library. Use the AI hook generator for extra content if you want. Post 3 to 5 pieces of content per day across free platforms during your lunch break or evenings. The content is already built to send viewers straight to your affiliate links. Step 4. Set up the email follow-up sequences with the proven swipes. This runs on autopilot. When someone buys, you get paid $200 instantly. Many side hustlers start with 1 to 3 sales per day once consistent. That's $200 to $600 extra per day on the side. This side hustle works beautifully because it's flexible, scalable, and the AI plus done-for-you assets do most of the work. You can grow it slowly while keeping your main job. Real results are happening right now in 2026. The member dashboard shows live commissions and a leaderboard with beginners earning daily. Mac Mills has paid out hundreds of thousands in commissions because the product delivers massive value. Let me address the common questions people have when looking at side hustles in 2026. First, is this one of the best side hustles or just hype? It's one of the best because it combines high-ticket $200 commissions, completely free traffic methods, and tools that remove all the hard work. The system is proven and converts well. Second, do I need a lot of time? No. Most members run this successfully with just 1 to 2 hours per day, ideal for a true side hustle. Third, what if I have no skills or experience? Perfect. This is built for complete beginners. No skills required for content creation, design, or marketing. Fourth, do I have to be on camera? Absolutely not. 100% faceless using the Reel library and AI images. Fifth, is there ongoing cost? No monthly fees for the core system. One-time payment covered quickly by your first few sales. This truly stands out as one of the best side hustles 2026 for beginners to make money online because it removes every common barrier that kills most side hustles. If you've watched this far, you're someone who is ready to stop researching and start earning. You want a side hustle that can actually replace or supplement your income in 2026. So take action right now. Click the link in the description and pinned comment. Go to the Daily Income Method page, review the details, and secure your access today. Once inside, watch the welcome video, finish setup, grab your first batch of faceless reels, and begin posting. Your first $200 commission as a side hustle could come in the next few days or weeks. I'm here to help. Drop questions in the comments after joining, and I'll guide you to the right resources. If this video showed you one of the best side hustles 2026 for beginners to make money online, please like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more side hustle strategies and scaling tips coming soon. Thank you so much for watching this in-depth breakdown. I believe the Daily Income Method is currently one of the smartest and most profitable side hustles available in 2026 for beginners. I can't wait to see you inside the dashboard building your own successful side income. Click that link now, get access, and start your journey today. I'll see you on the inside. Take action, stay consistent, even with your busy schedule, and I'll talk to you very soon.